Well, of course, it is a day 4 of Inanda Lasuga Lasala Sports Against Crime football as well as netball tournament. Lana-ke eJohn Langa Libalele Dube Stadium. Ilapho-ke khona-ke sihlangene khona kusukela-ke ngosuku lwangolesihlanu-ke namhlanje-ke usuku-ke lokugcina. In terms of football, sisi-stage-ke sama-semi-finals kanti ntambama kuzothi-ke lapha ngehora lesithathu kudlale-ke lapha-ke ama-final. Amathimu-ke angu-20 abanga-ke isamba sika-75,000 wamarandi ngoba-ke ama-organisers athi-ke cha thina-ke Nanda silwa-ke nobugebengu engathi-ke idolobha noma lingathi-ke ilokishi lethu-ke eselike dume ngakho kanti-ke kuzothi-ke ngesikhathi kuhamba kwesikhathi sikhulume lapha yani MEC of Sports Arts and Culture esifundazweni-ke saKwaZulu Natal ugabhisi omkhulu MEC Mpomuhle Khawula. After that-ke kuzobe qhamuka-ke insizwa-ke edume kakhulu esanda kuzwinela laphana ku-2 million kwi-Big Brother uSweet Omfoka Guluva. Sweet Guluva will be here talking to us as the African perspective. Igama lami-ke mina-ke nguNtobeko wakamzimela siphinde sihlangane uma sesikhuluma nogabhisa kanjalo-ke noSweet Guluva khona lana-ke kwi-African perspective. Igama lami uNtobeko wakamzimela nangu Luyanda, imidlalo iyaqhubeka.